DeepSeek is here. The world is changing. Technology is advancing at an unprecedented pace. Artificial intelligence, or AI, is at the forefront of this revolution. We are witnessing the birth of a new era, one where machines can learn, adapt, and even surpass human capabilities. In this rapidly evolving landscape, DeepSeek emerges as a game changer, a beacon of innovation in the world of AI and data processing. Launched in 2023, DeepSeek is not just another AI framework, it is a powerful open-source platform that is democratizing access to sophisticated AI tools and technologies. Imagine a world where the power of AI is not limited to tech giants and research labs. Imagine a future where anyone, anywhere, can harness the potential of AI to solve complex problems and drive progress. This is the promise of DeepSeek. DeepSeek represents a paradigm shift in how we approach AI development and deployment. It is about breaking down barriers, fostering collaboration, and empowering individuals and organizations to unlock the full potential of AI. At its core, DeepSeek is a sophisticated blend of cutting-edge technologies. It leverages the power of deep learning, a revolutionary approach to AI that allows machines to learn from vast data sets in a way that mimics the human brain. But DeepSeek doesn't stop there. It integrates natural language processing, enabling it to understand and interpret human language, and computer vision, giving it the ability to see and analyze images and videos. What truly sets DeepSeek apart is its open-source nature. Unlike proprietary AI models shrouded in secrecy, DeepSeek's code and technical details are freely available to the public. This radical transparency has profound implications. It means that researchers, developers, and entrepreneurs around the world can access, study, and build upon DeepSeek's foundation. This open approach to AI development has the potential to unlock a wave of innovation, driving the creation of new applications and solutions across various industries. The impact of DeepSeek is already being felt across the globe. In healthcare, DeepSeek is being used to develop AI-powered diagnostic tools that can detect diseases earlier and with greater accuracy. In finance, sophisticated financial models built on DeepSeek are helping institutions make smarter investment decisions, and in manufacturing, DeepSeek is driving the development of AI-powered automation systems that are increasing efficiency and productivity. But DeepSeek's influence extends far beyond these specific examples. Its open-source nature has sparked a global wave of AI innovation, with startups and established companies alike leveraging its capabilities to develop groundbreaking solutions. This, in turn, is creating new jobs, boosting economies, and transforming industries. DeepSeek is not just a technological marvel, it is a catalyst for economic growth and societal progress. Section 4. Navigating the challenges, ethical concerns, and global regulations. As with any transformative technology, DeepSeek's rise is not without its challenges. Concerns have been raised about the potential for bias in AI algorithms, the security risks associated with open-source software, and the ethical implications of machines making decisions that impact human lives. Governments around the world are grappling with how to regulate this powerful new technology. Some have expressed concerns about DeepSeek's potential for misuse and have even implemented bans on its use. These challenges highlight the need for thoughtful and balanced regulation that fosters innovation while safeguarding against potential risks. Addressing these concerns is not solely the responsibility of governments and policymakers. It requires a collaborative effort from technologists, ethicists, and society as a whole. Section 5. The future of DeepSeek, a catalyst for continued innovation. Despite these challenges, the future of DeepSeek is bright. Ongoing research and development efforts are constantly expanding its capabilities, making it even more powerful and versatile. The open-source community surrounding DeepSeek continues to grow, fostering collaboration and driving innovation at an unprecedented pace. DeepSeek is more than just an AI framework. It is a testament to the power of human ingenuity and collaboration. As we venture further into the age of AI, platforms like DeepSeek will undoubtedly play a pivotal role in shaping our future. The journey has just begun, and the possibilities are limitless.